Hello everyone, welcome to English online class of 8th standard. Today I am going to explain you the poem Beauty. It is written by E. A. Shu. Let me know about the poet now. So she is a poet, E. A. Shu. It is her pen name. Original name is Louise Abeta. Born on September 9, 1926 at New Mexico, USA. Died on July 21st, 2014 at the age of 87. Her nationality was, she was American, Isleta Lugo. Her occupation was, she was author, poet, educator. Known for author of I Am an Lugo Indian Girl. Now I am going to read the poem. Listen properly. This is a very short poem. In this poem, poet is explaining about the beauty. So in what all we can see the beauty? Give some examples of beauty. Yeah, flower. You can see the beauty in nature, in trees, isn't it? Like that many of the things are there. Here the poet is saying that beauty is in everything. So I am going to read the poem. Listen. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. So first para, beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling or a singer chanting anything in earnest. So beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Third para, beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work and even in your rest. So beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work and even in your rest. Now I am going to explain the poem now. So first para, beauty is seen in the sunlight. So early in the morning when sun will be rising, that time we can see the beauty of the sunlight. The trees. So here also we can see the beauty of the tree. The birds. See how beautiful is the bird. So here also we can see the beauty. Corn growing. So ever you have seen the growing of the corn? You can see here. See how beautifully the corn is growing here. And people working. So you can see the people working in the field. Here also poet is observing the beauty of the working of the people. Or dancing for their harvest. See after they will get the crop, how happily the farmers are dancing. So here the poet is seeing the happiness of the harvest dancing in the of the people. Beauty is heard in the night. So in the daytime we can see the beauty. In the night time how we can see the beauty? We cannot see, isn't it? Only we can hear. So beauty is heard in what all? In the night. See here the night, the beauty of the night. Wind sighing. Sighing means take a long breath when tired. So when we are tired, we will take a long breath. Now it is known as a sigh. So wind sighing, when the breeze will be there that time. Rain falling. So the beauty is we can see of the falling of the rain. Or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Or a singer chanting means singing anything in earnest, in a serious or a sincere manner when the singer will be singing. In that also we can see the beauty. And beauty is in yourself. Where we can see the beauty? Beauty is within ourselves. Or good deeds. Good deeds means good works. When all you will do the good works, in that also we can see the beauty. Happy thoughts. Thoughts means your thinking. When you think a good thing, or when you think a good, so when we will feel very happy. So in that also we can see the beauty. That repeat themselves in your dream. When you do a good work, or when you think a good things, that are going to repeat in your dreams. That we can see in your work also. And even in your rest. When you are taking rest, in that time also we can see this repeating in your rest. So that we can, that good things we can see in your work also, and even in your rest. So when you are taking rest also we can see that good thoughts and good deeds. I think you have understood the lesson. Now I am going to read the summary of the poem. So summary of the poem. The poet is trying to say in this poem that beauty is in everything. All the small things we do, or the environment around us, everything has beauty in it. Everything has its own importance. All things are beautiful in their own unique way. Sunlight has its own beauty. Beauty can be seen in growing corns, people who are working and dancing for getting good harvest. Beauty is not only seen but can also be heard or felt. For instance, when night falls, wind blows slowly, the sound of rainfall, or when a singer sings, and they all give pleasure to the mind and make it feel happy. Beauty is not just outside, it is within. Beautifully is the self. Our good deeds, happy thoughts, please everyone, all are beautiful. Our dreams are also beautiful as they give us reason to advance and work with zeal. Beauty is in your style of work, the way you take rest and sleep. Beauty is everywhere. It is in attitude, the way we look at things. Actually, everything is beautiful in its own unique manner. The need is to feel it. Understood, children? This is the summary of the poem. I think you have understood the poem. Go on learning. Thank you.